In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam Disk Write error, which usually appear when you try to download or update a game on Steam. This is a very common Steam problem, but in most cases, it can be fixed very quickly. So let's get straight to the solution. First, open your Steam on your computer. Now go to Library, find the game that shows the disk write error, right-click on the game, select Properties. When the Properties window is open, click on Install Files. Here you will see the option Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on it and Steam will now start scanning your game files. What this process does is check if some files are missing or corrupted, and if Steam finds any problems, it will automatically download and replace those files. This scan can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drive. After the scan finishes, try updating or installing the game again, and in many cases, the disk write error will be gone. If the problem still appears, another thing you can try is restarting your Steam as administrator. To do that, completely close Steam first, click on this arrow on the system tray, right-click on Steam, and choose Exit Steam. Then right-click on Steam icon or select it or whatever you want, just go ahead and run it as administrator. Click Yes. After Steam's open up again, try downloading the game once more. In many cases, this will fix Steam Disk Write error problem, and that would be all for this quick tutorial. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, y'all.